Wood carving accounts for 30%, sanding for 70%. Sanding defines the ultimate quality of mahogany furniture. Mahogany features premium texture, unique grain, and collectible value. Durable and timeless, it ages beautifully and remains elegant for generations. Traditional hand sanding is slow, inconsistent, and hard to handle complex curves and carved details. Our professional, intelligent sanding machines are tailor-made for mahogany processing. Fully automatic precision sanding system ensures uniform, flawless finishing on flat surfaces, in regular shapes, and intricate carvings.